see us do a lot of welding here in the shop, and most of the time we use a MIG welder because a MIG's very forgiving. It's got a spool of wire inside the machine. You just point, pull the trigger, and it'll lay down a very nice weld. But there's times when we need a nicer weld or when we're welding different types of metal, and in those instances we use the TIG welder. Well, for that you have to have filler rod, and we're going to talk about the different types today. This is the ER70S-6, which is for mild steel. This is the most common type of filler rod found in an automotive shop and is great for sheet metal, chassis, and suspension components. The -6 at the end means that it has more oxidizers in it than, say, a -3 would, which helps provide a flatter and quicker bead. It is an alloy, meaning it has other metals in it in small quantities like copper and chromium, which are what gives it its shiny copper color. The next filler we're going to talk about is the 308L. This is for welding stainless steel to stainless steel. The most common types of stainless in an automotive shop like ours are 304 and 409, like the stainless tubes in our exhaust system, and this filler is ideal for that. It's an alloy of mostly iron with about 10% nickel and about 20% chromium, as well as some small quantities of other non-ferrous additives. But if you're going to weld stainless steel to mild steel, you're going to need the 309. The 309L is ideal for welding non-similar steel, like stainless to mild steel. Our exhaust system is a great example of when you would use this filler, as we had to weld mild steel mufflers to our stainless steel tubing. This filler is comprised of about 13% nickel and about 24% chromium, as well as some other additives. You can also use 309 for welding similar alloys like 304 stainless to 409 stainless. Now we use those three here in the shop quite a bit, but there's two others that we have here that we use from time to time. One is going to be aluminum. This is only good for welding aluminum to aluminum. But then this other one is called silicon bronze, and this thing does just about anything. You can weld steel, bronze, brass, or any combination of those to each other. Now what's cool about this too is once you lay down the bead, it's going to be nice and shiny and gold. So if you're doing an art project or you just want something custom fabricated, you can use this. You just have to remember it's not going to be as strong as a regular steel weld would be. Well, those are 5 common types. There are other types of filler rod, and you can even get these in different diameters, but we'll talk about that another time.